we have two workbook opened here. Let's try to pull the total of Google revenue from workbook 2 to workbook 1. To do that, simply types of formula is equal to, and we'll go to workbook 2 and we'll select the total of the Google revenue cell reference. Go to workbook 2 and select B3. This where the Google revenue from the 3 sheets. Now we have connected the two workbooks by formula. How do we know we have a link in this workbook? We can go to data, and we'll see the links here. Here we have edit links. If this is not active, that means we don't have a link in this workbook. For example, if we delete formula, the links will disappear. Let's undo that action, and to which a sheet is linked, we can simply click and edit the links. Here we have the sheets connected. Every time we have an update on the other sheet, this will also be updated. We can open the source data, update data, break the link if we don't need it anymore, and check the status of the links. So this will work as a link.